Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty and soft mini sausage breads the easiest way. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need half a teaspoon of salt, a third cup of sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, 2.5 cup of wheat flour, which is approximately to 436 grams. Then you're also going to need some mini sausage, or you can use the normal sausages. I'm going to use 2 packets. 1 packet of yeast, which is approximately to 1 tablespoon, 1 cup of warm milk, and lastly 1 medium egg. In a medium large bowl, you're going to pour 1 cup of warm milk, followed by 1 egg and 1 packet of yeast, and mix the 3 ingredients very well. The next step, using a sieve, you're going to add 2.5 cup of wheat flour, a third cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt, and sieve the dry ingredients into the bowl. Using a spatula, you're going to mix all the ingredients until nicely combined. So I decided to go ahead and use my hand to mix all the ingredients because it's much better and fast. While I'm mixing my dough, I'll be adding some butter a bit by a bit while mixing until the dough is nicely combined and soft. The next step, you're going to remove the dough out from the bowl and place it on a working surface. Make sure you've sprinkled some wheat flour on the working surface before placing the dough. Continue kneading the dough while adding the butter. I used approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. After approximately 10 minutes, my dough has become soft, as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, shape it into a large ball. Afterwards, you're going to take the kneading bowl and grease it with some oil, as you can see in the video, and place the dough inside the bowl and apply some butter around the dough. Cover the dough using a plastic foil and place it in a warm place to double size for approximately 30 minutes or more. After 30 minutes of rest, my dough has double size. Uncover it, then afterwards punch out the air, as you can see in the video. Then you're going to remove the dough out from the bowl and place it on a working surface. Then afterwards, you're going to divide the dough into 8 to 10 small doughs. Once you're done cutting the doughs, then afterwards shape them into small round balls as you can see in the video. Take one dough at a time and sprinkle some flour on the working surface and roll out the dough into a large thin circle. After rolling out the dough, using a cutter or a knife, divide it into 2 sections. And then afterwards roll them into a slightly thin long roll as you can see in the video step by step. After getting this long roll, so the next thing you're going to roll the dough around the sausages. You can use the large sausages or these mini sausages. Repeat the same process until you're completely done. So the next thing, I'm going to show you a second technique to roll these sausages. The second technique, you're going to roll out the dough into a thin large circle like this. Using a cutter or a knife, you're going to cut the ends to make it equally. Then afterwards, cut it into zigzag form. Once you're done, you're going to take the sausages one at a time and roll them as you can see in the video step by step. Once you're done rolling the sausages bread, place them in a baking tray. Make sure you've greased the tray or place a baking sheet like this. Then apply the egg wash on top of the breads. Applying the egg wash around the breads is really important. This is to make the breads to have a nice golden brown color when they're baking in the oven. Half of the sausage breads will be plain and half of them I'll decorate them with some sesame seeds. And I'll place them in a preheated oven and bake them at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. After approximately 25 minutes to 30 minutes, our mini sausage breads are nicely baked as you can see in the video. Let them to cool down and serve them on a plate. And our mini sausage breads are ready as you can see in the video. They're nicely baked and they have this amazing color. I'm going to cut one so you can able to see how the inside look. Like this sausage bread, it's super tasty and so soft. Serve along with some cold soda, juice or a warm tea or coffee and enjoy your mini sausage breads. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram Rukias Kitchen for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.